Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamoy. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about my current skincare routine. I figured it would be nice to just share a little bit of what's been going on with my skin recently and what I've been using in hopes that, my skin will cooperate and act right. But yeah, I just want to kind of give you guys a quick update on my skin. If you're new to my channel, I've done a nighttime, a morning. I've tried a couple skincare stuff on my channel, but I've never really kind of give you guys, update on like the behind the scenes of what's been going on with my skin. So I figured I'll just do that in this video while I update you guys on what I've been using. So, alright, so I think I've mentioned it before, but I have really dry skin. My entire body. I have really dry skin, and I've always had like some acne problems. I've never had like the worst of it, so I don't really talk about it because there's other people out there that's been having a lot worse skincare issues than I have. I never used to have a lot of dark spots, which was something I always thought was a good thing, and I didn't really have large pores. I used to struggle with my skin, but that was before I really understood like having a skincare routine, what to use, steps to follow. So once I got a routine down, I wasn't really having any more issues over the last few years. But that was until recently. So since probably around December, my skin's just been breaking out really, really bad. It's been really, really sensitive. It started out with a few breakouts around like my chin area, mouth area, and they were really like painful. Like it wasn't just one pimple come on, disappear. It was really a lot. So at first I thought it was just, time of the month, PMSing, it will just go away. But usually when you get breakouts from like PMSing, after like a week, you're back to normal. This did not go back to normal. All of January, February, March has just been really, really, really bad. It just didn't really get better. So eventually I decided to try a new line of products. So we're gonna get into that shortly. But I'm gonna be inserting a few pictures up close so you guys can see. If you follow me on Instagram or maybe even my most recent YouTube videos, you've probably seen that, yeah, my skin has been going through it. I've mentioned it in my vlogs, you've kind of seen it. If you see I've been like missing taking pictures, it's probably because my skin is acting up. If you see me on like Instagram stories and I have a lot of filters on, it's because my skin is acting up. So anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to talk to you guys about what I've been using. So I decided to try, let's say it on here, I decided to try Curology. Curology is like an online dermatologist. Well, since I've been on my skincare journey, I've pretty much learned that you should, if you're having a lot of skin issues, you should probably have your own dermatologist that you go to. I was gonna look for one. I just didn't get around to finding one that's like covered through my insurance, stuff like that. But if you're having a lot of issues, it is really good, or it is recommended for you to have a dermatologist that you can go to that can probably prescribe something for your skin without trying all these other skincare products that might not work. So I've seen a lot of influencers that I follow use Curology. At first I was like, okay, it's just another brand. Like, what's that other one called? I forgot what the other one, it starts with a P, I can't think of it right now. But yeah, I grew up, I used to try Clean and Clear. That thing didn't do anything for me. Proactive, that's the name I'm trying to remember. Brands like Proactive and stuff, I don't really know if they really work, but I saw a couple of influencers talk about Curology. They've been using Curology for a while, they like it, but I wasn't really convinced at first. One of the influencers that I follow, well, two, Andrea Renee raves about it, and she always say like if she doesn't use anything else, she used the treatment that they prescribe. And then I was watching Aaliyah's Face YouTube video, and she kind of said the same thing where she mostly used the treatment and then go through her other products, like still use her cleansers and all these other stuff, which is what I have. So I was like, okay, That sounds good. So I use her link because she was, I think they were offering like a discount. No. But she had the link in her bio. And I was frustrated with what my skin was doing at the time. So I went ahead and signed up. The good thing about Curology is the first set is free. They send you like a pack of sample size products to try. All you have to do is pay the shipping, which was like $6. So I paid for the shipping, and within a week, I'm gonna estimate, I don't remember, but I think in about a week I received a box with the sample size products, and then from there you can try it out, you can see if you like it, and then you can confirm your next order. How the process worked, it was easy to sign up. You talked a little bit about your skin. I think if you have dry skin, what are your skin concerns. You take pictures on each side, up, down, tell them all about your skin and take pictures. So I did that, and I think they assign like a dermatology. They assign a dermatologist to you, and based on everything I told her, she prescribed the treatment, and I'll show you guys what's in my treatment. So I got the sample size. I started using it right away. The first night I tried it, I did get that little tingly, active feeling, you know, you're using the product for the first time. So I decided like the next few nights I was gonna space out the treatment, do the treatment, wait a few minutes, then do the moisturizer. So that is what I did, and I continued to use this until, I think it lasted me roughly a month. Then I went on. What I also like about Curology, they recommend everything: the cleanser, moisturizer, the treatments. They have a body wash, and they give you acne patch, and they also give you acne patches. So I like that, but I also like that if you decide, okay, well, I don't need the moisturizer next month, you can click off of it and it doesn't charge you for that. So you can take off whatever you want. For example, I didn't renew the body wash because I don't really need it. I don't really have a lot of body acne. I get one or two maybe on my neck sometime, or one on my chest, but it wasn't enough for me to need the body wash. So anyway, I'm gonna get into how I've been using these products, and I'm gonna do like an overlay of me showing you guys me trying out the products. Well, this video was just filmed, but of me using the products. Now, I didn't plan on wearing makeup when I show you guys this, but I had makeup on yesterday, so I decided to just show the entire process. But it doesn't really matter, because the same steps I did in this video is the same steps I've been doing every night. Alright guys, so right here you see I'm just getting into the mood. I am setting the tone, take off my jewelry, put on these cute headbands that I got from Amazon. And yeah, I'm playing music. I'm just like making it a full self-care moment. And as you guys can see, I'm starting with a oil cleanser. Now this is what I've been doing recently. I have been using a oil cleanser every day, with or without makeup. It just breaks up the dirt for me. It prevents my skin from getting stripped. It just like prepped me for going in with my cleanser, because normally if your face is super dirty, you go straight into with the cleanser. It doesn't lather really good. It's just, I just feel like it's not getting all of the dirt and everything out. So this is like my double cleanse. I used to only do this when I wear makeup, but I started to do this even without makeup. So I usually do this in the shower. It just makes it the steam and everything, but you want to do this with your hands are dry at first. Really rub it and massage it into your skin, and then once you feel like you've done all that, then you can wet your hands and go in further. I do this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It's just, I just feel like it's getting everything out and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So you see, I'm just taking my time, rubbing this into my skin, enjoying the self-care moment. And yeah, once I'm done doing that, then I'll go ahead and rinse my face off. Alright guys, so now my face is clean from using the oil cleanser. I'm going to be using my little tool. This is a little face sponge that I got from Target. It's really nice, really gentle. It's like a gentle exfoliant. So I'm going to use the Curology cleanser, and I'm just going to spread it on my face, and then I'll just start cleansing my face. I like this little cleanser. It's so soft. Like, it feels like I'm using my hands, but even better. like a better experience. I don't know how to explain it. So you see I went in first. It's kind of dry a little bit, not too much, but I'll go ahead and wet the sponge again just to get it to lather up some more. But yeah, like I said, normally I do this in the shower so it would lather up really nicely with the steam and everything. But since I'm filming this for you guys, I'm outside of the shower. So I take my 2 minutes, 3 minutes, really massage this into the face, make sure I get everything. You see, I just wet it again. And yeah, take this time, take your time, enjoy the process, and yeah. All right, now I am just gonna pat dry. It's something I've been doing from day one. I like to use a paper towel so I can just throw it away after. I don't try to be aggressive with my skin. I just pat dry, and you know, as you can see, my skin is dry. As soon as I get done with that, it is ready for some moisture. But yeah, and I have one breakout there, so we're gonna take care of that tonight. But yeah, overall, my skin has been doing so much better. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go into the treatment. So the treatment they gave me has azelaic acid, I don't know how to pronounce this, clindamycin 1%, and niacinamide, I cannot talk, niacinamide 4%, and this is their prescription. It has a doctor on it. Yeah, and what I like also is if my skin is not reacting well to this, I can also message them and they will change, you know, the percentage of stuff in here if they need to. But yeah, I just apply about 2 pumps to my face, take my time, spread it out, make sure it's completely absorbed. Another thing I've been doing also is I will apply this and wait 2-3 hours till I'm ready to go to bed before I apply the moisturizer. I just want to give it time to work and do its thing. I just feel like I don't want to just go ahead and put that other product on top. So as you can see here, while I'm waiting for this to kind of settle and dry onto my skin, I'm just going to do some other skincare, self-care. I'm going to apply this lip mask. This is like a gentle lip exfoliator from Fresh, the one drops or whatever they're called. So I'm just gonna do that in the meantime, just to let that cream work on my skin. So whenever they do this treatment, it will be tailored to you for your skin, so your percentage will be different from what I'm using. So I'm gonna follow up finally with the moisturizer. They do have 2 moisturizers. One is super thick for dry skin. The other one is more lightweight for like oily skin. But they also sent me a message that if I feel like this one is too heavy for the summer months, I can request the other one for the next delivery I'm gonna get. But overall, I like a thick moisturizer because you're gonna see how quickly my skin just soaked this all up. Like, while I was doing this, I was thinking maybe I should have put another pump of this moisturizer, but you see it just literally disappears into my skin. My skin looks moisturized, but I feel like I could have gone in with more. I don't know, my skin just soaks it all up. That's how dry my skin is, but overall my skin feels great, minus those couple little breakouts. So I'm gonna use one of their acne patches, which I thought was super cool. I've never used acne patches before until Curology. So I just take one and put directly over the pimple that I want it to work on. And they say you can leave this on for as long as you can, like up to 24-48 hours. So I just put it on overnight, and if I'm home the next day, I will leave it on there. I like to finish my skincare off with a lip sleeping mask. I have a few of them. I just keep them next to my bed. I apply one, and yeah, that is it. I'm ready to go to bed, and this is my updated nighttime routine. Alright guys, hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you guys enjoy my skincare update. The struggle be real sometime, but I like the way my skin looks right now. Still some breakouts there, but it's not as bad as it was 2-3 months ago. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been struggling with your skincare routine. And the thing about skincare routines, they're always changing. You just never know. So For right now, Curology is working for me, but I'm not gonna sit here and swear that it's magical or anything like that. But I think it's super gentle. I like that it's the price is not bad either. It's like $60 every 2 months, and like I said, I can take off things that I don't need. So if I feel like I don't need the moisturizer next month, I probably will take a break from it and use one of my other moisturizers. But yeah, I like the convenience of it without me having to find a doctor and go to one in person. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.